Right lads, took that Chubb padlock apart. Someone on the forum was asking what was inside it. It is a 6-pin plug with only 5 pins in it. The springs in it are absolutely massive. It's a spring. Standard key pins. Different materials used. The spools in them are huge as well. These two spools are made out of a different material to these brass ones here. But yeah, they're absolutely huge spools, man. I mean, this is a spool off a normal Euro. Just so you can get a bit of a size difference, look. Crazy. But yeah, anyway, that's what's inside the Chubb padlock. Nice one. Cheers, lads.